Okay, while the cluster of sectors of New Gurgaon and Dwarka Expressway come under Huda or the Haryana Urban Development Authority, there is also the Municipal Corporation of Gurgaon or MCG that takes care of its share of residential sectors in Old Gurgaon. Ahead of the civic polls next year, MCG Commissioner Vikas Gupta is planning to spend some 750 crores to improve civic services in Gurgaon. Oinitam Ojha brings us this exclusive conversation.
Gurgaon lacks good public transport, although metro is there, but lots to be done for good public transport. So we are working on a city bus service, and SPV is being formed to run the city bus service in city of Gurgaon, and it will run more than 500 buses very soon. And there is a problem regarding auto rickshaws also. It's an unorganized market. So Municipal Corporation Gurgaon has entered an agreement with one NGO, and soon in Gurgaon, in next 1 month, we will have app-based auto services like we have app-based taxi services. So by this, it will organize the auto rickshaw market, as well as the rates will be standardized.
A lot of problem about the drainage and sewage system in this city. So what are your plans? What are you doing at this point of time?
There is a problem of stormwater drainage in Gurgaon, and in recent rains we have witnessed many places in city of Gurgaon which water was stagnating there for quite a long time. And although Gurgaon has a storm water drainage network, but what we have realized in these rains that these are not being maintained properly. So we have identified the places of stagnation of water in these rains, as well as what was the duration of those stagnation of water and what is the solution for those problems. So we have already prepared an action plan and started working on that. And I am confident in that next year we will not have the problems which we have witnessed in recent rains.
So there's this issue of sewage also, the waste management, garbage all over the roads, open drains in most of the Gurgaon localities. So how are you planning to address that?
See, regarding sewage treatment, we have adequate capacity for sewage treatment, as well as almost all of the Gurgaon has a proper sewage network. Although those new colonies which were unauthorized and have been regularized recently, we are laying the sewage lines also. In Gurgaon, there is no such problem of open drainage, although there are few areas which were in the earlier villages and now come under the municipal corporation. So we are laying the sewage lines also there. Then regarding waste management, although Gurgaon is partially covered under the door-to-door collection of municipal waste, but now we are extending it to the whole of the city, and from 1st of January 2016, whole of Gurgaon will be covered under the door-to-door waste collection.